Hello, my honey buns. It's Lou back with another loan video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be telling you about a company that will loan you up to $50,000 for a personal loan with as little as a 300 credit score. Yes, you heard that right. As low as a 300 credit score. So my bad credit people, don't worry. You can get approved too, all right? Now this company is called Upstart. So I want to go ahead and give y'all all the information you need for your Upstart loan. And if you haven't already, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you can get all of this good information. So this one, listen, this one is a big deal. It's a very, very big deal, okay? Now, the company that I'm bringing to you today has low fixed rates, next day funding, all right? There's options, all right? You can get approved with as little as a 300 credit score. All right, and I'm not just pulling this out of my behind. This is tried and true, trusted. Multiple people that I know personally have gotten approved for this. I even checked just to see if they would approve me, and they did. I'm trying to stay away from the loans at the moment, but I did get approved, okay? Now, let me just go ahead and get into some information about this loan for you, okay? All right, so the company is called Upstart. All right, and they have options, okay? So that's another thing that I really like about this particular company is that they do have options, all right? So they have personal loans, they have wedding loans, home improvement loans, moving loans, medical loans, even refinancing for your car loans, all right? They have credit card consolidation, debt consolidation. There's just lots of options here, all right? But we're going to focus on the personal loans in this video. So you can check your rate in 5 minutes and get it funded in as fast as 1 business day. All right. So which means, let's say you do this on the weekend. It's going to take you a little bit longer simply because you applied on the weekend. So you're going to have to wait for the business days. But if you apply on a typical business day, then it would just take about 24 hours for you, up to 24. It has 43% lower rates as compared to a credit score only model. All right. They also have a 4.9 out of 5 score on Trustpilot, which is excellent. That is really good. This is legit. The thing with me that you'll notice on this channel, if you look at my previous loan videos and even the upcoming loan videos that I'll be dropping soon, is that I really go through and vet these loan companies out. I'm not going to post a loan company that's sketchy, that's scammy, that I don't know anyone that's been approved or I haven't been approved. I'm not posting those. I don't want to post the companies where they get your information and then all of a sudden you're getting tons and tons of emails and text messages daily from multiple different loan companies. We want to stay away from those, okay? So been there, done that on my own personally, and I wouldn't want to put y'all through that, okay? This particular company has helped more than 2.7 million customers. And even if you go look on even YouTube at other videos where people have talked about this company, you can go through the comments and see people talking about how much they were approved for and just actually being approved, okay? So it's 100% legit. All right. And it's very easy to apply for a personal loan with this company in just 3 little steps. So, first, you're going to want to check your rate. You can check your rate in minutes without affecting your credit score. All right. So, you'll tell them how much you would like to borrow. Okay. And you can go anywhere from 1,000 to 50,000, and this is for the personal loan. All right. And then the second step is going to be to choose your loan. You can select your desired personal loan amount and your preferred loan term. All right. Now, of course, you're going to notice the interest rates are what I consider high. And like I always say on these loan videos, listen, when you're in a position to where you have to borrow money, the last thing we're thinking about is interest rates. And this is just the honest truth. It's not what sounds good, but it is the truth. And that's why we want to get away from surviving and go to thriving. And I'm putting out more videos to teach everyone how to thrive financially and get away from having to do things in survival mode. All right. But when you're in survival mode and you need this money, you need this money. Okay. So the next step is basically you get funded. All right. 99% of their personal loans are sent just one business day after signing. Okay. So they'll tell you when to expect your money and they'll tell you how much you got approved for. Okay. All right. And so their website is very easy to navigate. That's something else that I love. You can keep up with your loan through the website and just check up on it, check up on your payments, the history. You're going to be able to have access to all of these things. Also, another great thing, we're going to be getting more into credit building here on this channel. And with loans like this, as long as you stay on top of your game, this can and will help to boost and build your credit if you have a positive payment history. Now, another thing that I like about this company, I have heard personally from several people that if you have a situation where you can't make a payment, they will work with you. Just communicate with them. Just keep in touch with them. Give them a call and they will work with you. Okay. So you got to love that. We love a company where we can actually get in touch with them. I hate companies where it's so hard to get in touch because it just feels like you're not dealing with a reputable business when you can't get in touch or they don't have a customer service that you can contact. So I love that about Upstart. Oh, that's something else that I do want to mention is listen, you are going to need to list some type of employment. So keep that in mind. You need to be able to show them that you have some income coming in. Okay. So you will need to have a company or whatever it is, however you're getting money, you need to be able to list it on the application, which I feel like is fair because these people are willing to loan you up to $50,000. Why would I loan you that much money? And I don't think you're going to be able to give it back. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, they will work with you. So even if you have a low credit score or you don't make, a high figure salary, you can get approved. Okay. Just keep in mind the interest rates. Let's see. For my people that are concerned about the inquiry on their credit, if you check your personal loan rate, it will not impact your credit. When you check your rate, they make a soft credit inquiry on your report, which doesn't really impact you. But if you accept your rate and proceed with your application, they will do a hard inquiry. Okay, so you won't actually get that hard pull until you accept the rate that they give you. All right. Because then at that point, they want to verify all of your information is correct. And that's when they're going to do that real pull. All right. So just keep that in mind. Their interest rates range from 4.6 to 35.99%. Keep in mind, there's different factors here. So don't even look at that 4.6. if you have bad credit. I'm just keeping it 100%. Okay. The lower interest rates is for people with good credit and excellent credit. If you have bad credit, it's going to be, it's going to be kind of high. It's going to be kind of high. Just got to let you know that right now. But they also will look at, excuse me, they'll also look at your income, your credit history. There's lots of different things that are taken into account, not even just your credit score, but if you have any delinquent accounts and things like that. So just keep that in mind. So their website, like I said, is really easy to navigate, and it's extremely helpful here for you to be able to see what you're working with. So I love that. And then they have fixed rates and terms for the loan, and you get to choose. You can choose between 3 or 5 year terms, and then you'll have your fixed rate for the APR. There's no prepayment fees. You can prepay your loan at any time with no fee or penalty. Okay, so I love, love, love this. I really don't have anything bad to say about Upstart. I mean, I recommend it. If you need the money is there. All right. And like I said, they have where you can contact them on the website. So let's say you didn't get enough questions answered through my video. You can absolutely reach out to them and contact them yourself, okay? So you gotta love that. Also, for my people that, you know what? Let me list their customer support. I'm going to start being a little bit more helpful to y'all in these videos, although you can access this information on their website. You can call their customer support toll free at 1-855-438-8778. Again, that is 1-855-438-8778. And then they have their hours listed online. You can also contact them through the website if you don't want to call and speak on the phone. It's up to you. You can send them emails. It's legit. They have their address listed. I love websites like this. Also, for my people that need employment, they do have on their website, if you scroll to the very bottom, they have careers. You can click careers and then explore open roles, okay? And they do have some remote positions available. So we gotta love that, okay? They have lots of remote positions available, actually, ranging from sales to product management, IT, engineering, data analytics, customer success. All right, so keep that in mind if you need a job as well. I hope that y'all found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in my comments. You can also let us know if you get approved. Like I said before, most people that I know, for whatever reason, which I do get it, don't like to comment that they were approved. They typically send me a message through my Instagram letting me know that they are approved, or the people that really, really know me send me a text. I am 100% cool with that, but I will say it does help if you can drop down in the comments, even if you do it anonymously, and just let the people know that y'all are being approved, or I might just start posting like screenshots with names and pictures blurred out, just because I really want people to know that I'm putting out legitimate websites, and I do have your best interests. So I'm not just running at the mouth with what I'm saying here. These are legit loans that people are getting approved for, if not myself, people that I know personally. Okay, and like I said, I hope that you found this video helpful. It's always a pleasure to get on here and drop some information for y'all. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to get more helpful information about loans, stock investments, credit score building, and just lots of new content that's on the way. Bye.